Some U.S. cities are facing their heaviest snowfall and coldest temperatures in a decade, with a monster storm punishing much of the country. 70 million Americans are under weather alerts across dozens of states, leading to brutal driving conditions, power outages, and travel delays.
Yep, this is going to get me through. Yep. I have 80 rolls of toilet paper at home too, so I'm good.
Well, I should have done this yesterday. I need food and milk and, staples, so here I am.
Winter Storm Blair. We got blizzard conditions right now. You couldn't even see that truck going through the intersection. Let's get it, baby. Stay safe, Wichita.
Got out here this morning, I needed fuel. I belong to the Wild Crest Fire Department, and we're going to be on standby all day long, so I got to make sure I got fuel,
I was going to say, how are you, getting ready for that?
Well, all you can do is what you can do, We just, we're on emergency management down here now. I'm getting ready to go to the fire hall right now for a meeting with everybody in case, this thing gets crazy.
Do you like it?
Yeah, it's a blast.
Now, what did you come here for?
I did not come here to make friends, that's for sure.